What is Evernote?
Evernote is a digital tool designed to help you collect, organize, and access information wherever you are. It serves as a central hub for your notes, documents, web clippings, and more. Its flexible system is ideal for students, professionals, and anyone looking to keep their ideas and resources in one secure, accessible place.
Basic building blocks notes.
At the heart of Evernote are notes. A note can be anything: text, images, audio, checklists, scanned documents, or even web pages. Each note is a single piece of information that you capture and store. Notes are easy to create and update, providing a simple way to jot down ideas, save inspirations, or track important details.
Organizing with notebooks.
To keep your notes organized, Evernote uses notebooks. Think of notebooks as digital folders. You can group related notes, such as meeting summaries, class lectures, or project plans, into a single notebook. This makes it easier to manage collections of notes and separates your work, personal, or study materials for clarity and quick access.
Tagging for flexibility.
Evernote's tags add an extra layer of organization. Tags are keywords you attach to notes, making it easy to find and connect related information across multiple notebooks. For example, you can tag ideas, deadlines, or topics, and then filter your entire account by those tags to see all relevant notes instantly.
Powerful search and retrieval.
Search is a core feature that brings Evernote's organization together. Its advanced search can recognize words from typed text, images, and even scanned documents. Simply enter keywords, tags, or other details to quickly find what you need, ensuring that your information is always at your fingertips, no matter how much you've stored.
Sync and accessibility across devices.
One of Evernote's major strengths is synchronization. Your notes and notebooks are kept up to date on all your devices, whether you use a computer, tablet, or phone. This guarantees you have instant access to your organized information whenever and wherever you need it, making productivity and information management seamless.